Alfred. And I'm at Boracay. I rode Royal Air, so cool! And we rode a ferry going to Boracay Island. Welcome to Crimson Hotel and Spa. Time for some apple juice. And this is gonna be my room. Time to swim. Crystal clear water, so refreshing. I just love the beach. I can swim here all day. It's time for some ice cream. Now it's pool time.
So much fun!
And they have fun games for kids. Now it's playtime with friends. They have water Zumba. I always love sunsets. Now it's time to relax. Now, it's time for some super duper quick unboxing. This is the Minecraft Box Lodge. I like building because I love Lego so much. This is the Fox minifigure and this is the Ground Zombie minifigure. It's time to eat! I like this coconut ice cream by Coco Mama. It's Bubble Party! Woo hoo hoo! It's so bubbly, I like it. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.